This little beauty just showed up. This car belongs to my brother-in-law. It's a car I helped him put together, I guess, about 8 years ago. It had an engine fire, and so this whole area of from about here, all along here, and along here down to about here, and then back to here somewhere, and then of course the lid was all burnt off. It's a fiberglass car. It's a 356 Porsche Replica, originally built by Intermechanica in Vancouver, BC. It was a sweet little car, and it needs a new engine, which is right there. So we're going to be doing that in the next couple days or next week sometime. So stay tuned for that.